Let's solve this Olympiad equation together. It says 3 raised to the power 2x is equal to 24. How do we solve this? Now, the first thing to do is that we can rewrite all this. So we have that 24 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Okay? So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24. Now, 2 into 3 times is 2 raised to the power 3. Okay? Times 3, and this is equal to 24. So let's go ahead and substitute this for 24 in this equation. So we have that 3 raised to the power 2x is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3. Okay? Now, having this, we can decide to take the logarithm of both sides. So if we take the logarithm of 3 raised to the power 2x and we take the logarithm of 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 3, okay, all in bracket like this. Now, we have laws that we can apply here. So I will state the laws and then we can go ahead and be applying them as we go. Okay? Now, the first law is that if we have logarithm of a raised to the power m, it is equal to m multiplied by logarithm of a. Okay, this is the first law. The second law is that if you have logarithm of x times y, it becomes equal to logarithm of x plus logarithm of y. Now let's go ahead and apply this here. So if you have logarithm of 3 raised to the power 2x, you can rewrite this as 2x times logarithm of 3. Okay, and this is equal to, now we said if you have logarithm of x times y, it becomes equal to logarithm of x plus logarithm of y. So we have from here, we have logarithm of 2 raised to the power 3 plus logarithm of 3. Furthermore, we can write this one now as 3 times logarithm of 2. Okay, and then we have from here, and this is plus logarithm of 3, and on this side we have 2x times logarithm of 3. So we can decide to divide both sides by 2 times log 3. Okay, so we have here divided by 2 log 3, and then this whole side divided by 2 times log 3. 2 times log 3 will cancel, so that we also are left on the left hand side is x. Okay, and this x is equal to what? This x is now equal to 3 log 2 over 2 times log 3 plus log 3 over 2 times log 3. Okay, now you can see that log 3 and log 3 will cancel, so that we also are left with is equal to what? 3 over 2 times log 2 over log 3 plus 1 over 2. Okay, now from here we can state another law, okay, which I not said initially, pardon me. The law states that if you have logarithm of a over logarithm of b and want to change it to another base, you can change it to a base of b so far as it is the log of a. So if we have logarithm of a in base b, it is equal to logarithm to be a new base, maybe base n or base 10 according to this one. So base 10 of a over logarithm in base 10 of b. I don't know if it makes sense. So applying this here, okay, what are we going to have? We now have that our x, this means that our x is equal to 3 over 2 times, now changing that, we have logarithm of what? 2 in base 3. Okay, now this is plus half. Okay, so now this becomes the answer for x in this given equation.